In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for managing social media efficiently. If you're looking to streamline your social media operations, Airtable can be an invaluable tool, offering you the flexibility and power of a spreadsheet and database combined. Let's dive in and get started. Firstly, you'll want to access Airtable by visiting their website. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to airtable.com. Once the page has loaded, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account, but if you are, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Upon entering your account, you'll land on the Airtable homepage. This is your central hub where you can navigate to various features and tools that Airtable offers. Here, you will notice a section for templates and apps. This is a fantastic resource provided by Airtable to get you started quickly, especially if you're managing a specific project like social media content, which we're focusing on today. Now click on the templates and apps section. It's here where you can explore a wide variety of templates designed to kickstart your workflow. In the search bar, go ahead and type in social media. This will bring up a selection of templates specifically tailored to social media management. Browse through the available social media templates. Airtable offers several options designed to assist you with planning, executing, and analyzing your social media strategy. Once you've found a template that suits your needs, whether it's for scheduling posts, tracking analytics, or collaborating with your team, click on it to get a closer look. Each template comes pre-populated with useful data and an organized layout, making it easy to adapt to your specific requirements. After you've clicked on your chosen template, you'll be directed to its detail page, where you can see more about its functionalities. Here you have the option to use it as is or customize it further to better fit your workflow. Once you're satisfied with the selection, you can add it to your workspace and begin using it immediately. Airtable's template for social media management can truly revolutionize how you handle your content, scheduling, and tracking. It allows you to visualize your data in multiple views, collaborate seamlessly with your team, and ensure that your social media presence is as polished and professional as possible. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to leverage Airtable for managing your social media tasks effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for helpful tips and tricks on optimizing your workflows.